In this video, we're going to go over the Solver Sweeper Toolbox. The first thing we're going to do is open up said toolbox, and we're going to select our per run post-processing script through the file path in the File Explorer. So we'll click on the three dots and then select our post-processing script. And then here's the script we're going to use today. So this computes the surface sectional loads and then exports them to a specified file path. And then we're going to define our sweep parameters and vectors. So we'll do an angle of attack sweep here. We have the option to do uniform or custom. For this video, we're going to choose custom, and we'll specify our sample sweep using this file that we've pre-set up. And here is the formatting for our sample sweep. With this, we can initialize our solver and choose our runtime settings. We're going to run a quick script to set up our surface section distribution, which here we can see we set up 20 surface cross sections, and then we'll select the Run the Sweep option within the Sweeper Toolbox. So here you can see that the current sweep is one of 7 steps with an angle of attack of 0, and then moving on to the next AOA of 4 degrees, and so on. Outlined on the wing are our surface sections, and then in the plot graphical window, we can choose our Sweeper Toolbox results to see our lift force as the Sweeper Toolbox is solving for each angle of attack. And just like that, we've completed our sweep through angle of attack for our model. And now we can plot our CP for our surface sections that we defined along the wing. We can also show the sectional loads in a tabulated format. Here we have them in newtons. Note that the Solver Sweeper Toolbox takes care of the naming convention for each of the results files, naming them with the corresponding angle of attack, beta, and velocity from that step in the solver process. Here we can see the layout of one of our results files for the surface sectional loads. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Solver Sweeper Toolbox. Thanks for watching.